Welcome to Fagor Professional's videos. We're going to give a tutorial on how to use our iCore oven in the concept range in which the recipe management function will be presented. To create a specific recipe, press Recipes, which is the first button in the lower menu. Turn the control knob to scroll through the menu until you reach the recipe management screen, where recipes can be created, edited, deleted, imported or exported. We proceed to create a new recipe, and the new recipe can be given a name. Then select the food family to which the new recipe belongs and program each of the phases. Let's start with the cooking mode. In this case, by selecting steam, we set temperature and time. Then press the knob to proceed with the second phase. In this case, we choose the mixed cooking mode and set the probe. Finally, we do the same for the third phase, namely convection cooking mode, where we set the turbine speed, adjustable by turning and pressing the control knob. Oven humidity can also be regulated in the same way. Press the control knob for 3 seconds to save your recipe. To find the recipe we have just created, go to the food family where we have created the recipe and search for it by name. The different phases involved in our recipe will be displayed. And we press Start to launch the process. Return to the recipe management screen to edit an existing recipe. Choose the food family containing the recipe you want to modify. Once there, change the setting of the parameter you want to modify, for example temperature. Once done, save the modification by pressing the control knob for 3 seconds. To modify a recipe and save it as a new one, go to Recipe Management and choose this option. Go to Food Family to find it again, and then from the list of recipes, choose the one you want to modify. Reset the temperature. Choose the Save As option and give it a new name. Validate it and choose the food family it will belong to. To see where it is saved, select the family. Look for it among the recipes and check that it has been saved correctly. Finally, to delete a recipe, go to the food family containing the recipe you want to delete, choose the recipe and delete it directly. We will also be able to export and import the recipes via USB.